Hello YouTube and welcome in how to download IDM CRACK versions video. And in this video I am going to show you that how and from where you can download IDM CRACK version and how to install it step by step. Alright guys, so first of all open this link. You can also get this link from the video's description and then click on this green download button. I'm not going to click on it because I've already downloaded it. So once you download it, go to that directory where you have downloaded it and then double click on it. And then double click on IDM 6.11 build 5 with crack and then IDM 611.exe file. Okay, it's installing. Please wait for a while. Click yes, next, 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 again next, again next, and here we go. And then click on finish button. IDM has detected that you are using Windows dial-up networking to connect your modem to internet. Would you like to use these IDM settings? Alright, yes, and then OK. Now you will get internet download manager has not been registered for 30 days trial period is over and IDM is exiting blah blah blah. Click OK and here it's asking for the first name and the serial key. Now what you have to do, click on the crack version and then double click on the idmn.exe. So once you click on it, again you will get this box, but it will work for you. So here it is. Here we go. Here's our internet download manager. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for the more interesting and useful videos. Thank you very much.